Here we go. Don't be cussing. Whoa, they all flew away. They must have knew I was filming them.
Come on back, bird. There's one back.
They're coming.
Yeah. I think sometimes they look in the window and see motion.
Oh my gosh.
Bunch of
Hmm.
them. Imagine how many it would be if I still let
Other one up.
the other one back up. I probably would go do that.
In a town called Average, the men over 40 were average.
You gotta fill it up about every other day.
Sexy as they once had.
Hog bears.
Except one, he was rank, the Big Hurt. Somehow
Big
Frank was
Hurt.
still able to swing the lumber like when he was young.
See, he pulled up a tree.
Everywhere. One day a man asked Frank, how come you're not average? Frank said, Eugenics Total T. Eugenics Total T is powered by patented
That's a little bit bigger one.
research to boost
Whoa, bam.
testosterone and total
Bam, bam.
to help you feel strong, more energy and passion.
That is just crazy.
To get you a complimentary sample of Eugenics Total T from the day the men of Average
Yeah, I need to go fill the other one up.
no longer average. They thanked Frank.
Are they fighting?
Yeah, they.
Oh my gosh.
The base needs to be bigger on the
The round one?
wood. No, the wood one, because that way we give them more room to, when they land.
Look, well, he can get on top of the house.
Yeah, they don't do you no darn good because the food ain't up there.
He can wait.
Yeah, that'd be the waiting room. They sit there for a drink.
I ain't never. An arm holding it up.
I'm a criminal defense lawyer and a co-host of Reasonable Doubt on ID. Giving back to the community is a priority of mine, and so I joined local mock trial competitions as an attorney coach. These are
There ain't many going after the other one.
They don't
He's
have the
looking like,
resources, but they have this
Now one dude ran them away, I guess. They're all gone. Back in the bush.
the same passion.
Back in the
Come
bush.
on.
Difference.
I gotta go. Put on my.
Don't hurt my foot. Let me pause this. Ow.